The coconut tree, often called the tree of life, is a remarkable plant that has been an essential part of human life for centuries. From its majestic height to its versatile fruit, this tree provides countless resources for food, shelter, and industry. In today's video, we'll explore the wonders of the coconut tree and uncover the surprising ways its fruit, the coconut, is used around the world. Standing tall and resilient, the coconut tree has a straight trunk that can reach heights of up to 30 meters. Its feather-like leaves stretch out gracefully, while its crown produces the most versatile fruit in nature. Each part of the tree, from the roots to the leaves, serves a unique purpose. Inside the coconut is a treasure trove of nutrition. The water is rich in electrolytes, making it a natural sports drink, while the flesh provides healthy fats and proteins. In emergency situations, pure coconut water has even been used as an intravenous fluid. Its sterility and compatibility with the human body make it a life-saving option when medical supplies are scarce. Coconut milk is a key ingredient in many cuisines, adding richness to dishes. Coconut oil, extracted from the flesh, is used for cooking and is celebrated for its health benefits. From candies to desserts, the coconut's natural sweetness is cherished in snacks worldwide. Coconut products have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Coconut oil is known for its antimicrobial properties, while coconut water aids in hydration and digestion. Even the roots of the tree are used in certain cultures for medicinal teas. The husk of the coconut provides core fiber, which is crafted into durable ropes, mats, and brushes. Coconut leaves are woven into sturdy roofing materials, while the tree's wood is used for building homes and furniture. With its renewable and biodegradable materials, the coconut tree plays a significant role in promoting sustainable living. In agriculture, coconut husks are used as mulch and growing mediums. In industry, activated charcoal made from coconut shells is used in water filtration systems. Beyond its practical uses, the coconut holds a special place in cultural and spiritual practices. It symbolizes purity and abundance, often used in rituals and festivals. Coconut trees are not only beneficial to humans, but also to the environment. They prevent soil erosion, provide habitats for wildlife, and absorb significant amounts of carbon dioxide. The coconut tree is a testament to nature's ingenuity. Its fruit nourishes, heals, and sustains countless lives. What are your favorite ways to use coconuts? Share in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more about the wonders of nature on our channel.